Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install the Roblox game in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Open it. Search for Roblox. In search menu, type Roblox. Here we get Roblox Corporation 15K rating. You just need to click on it and select the game to get option over here. Click on it and it started downloading guys. Wait for it. After getting downloaded, select the play option and now the Roblox game is started guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Sign up or log in with Roblox guys, and that's it.